So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday the 3rd of January. Now let's just have a look where prices may likely go. So here we're on the US dollar Japanese yen, and we've had prices break beyond that 110.20. Did see the strong sell side momentum take us beyond that 109.50. Came down, had a test of the 108.80. Trade slightly below the 108.80, not by much. Did hold that level, had a brief pullback near perfect test. Did hold, did see prices head up towards that 109.50. Didn't quite get there, came within a couple of pips or so of that 109.54. Did see the further sell side momentum come back into the market. Now, did have this strong move here to the downside, indicating pretty strong yen strength as we've seen across the yen pairs. We saw this pretty sharp acceleration in momentum beyond 108.80, taking us through a couple of key levels in around, say, that's 107.32, 106.94, 106.32, and 105.55. So we've had prices sell off beyond that 105 here to the downside. Didn't quite get down towards that 104.65, which would have been the very next level of note. Instead, we travel all the way down towards that 105. Interesting. Let's just see. We did actually travel all the way down towards that 104.74. So we did come within, say, about 9 pips of that 104.65. Came within about 9 pips of the 104.65. For we did see this sharp pullback all the way up towards that 107.78. Had a pullback from the 107.78, taking us back down towards that 107.32. It's a 107.32, and it does seem a bit too volatile to be 107.32. It's at 106.94. Yeah, 106.94. Made a correction there. So 107.78 back down towards the 106.94. We've had a pullback back towards that 107.78. So we've been in a bit of a range here so far on the US dollar Japanese yen. Now, if we do see a bit more of a recovery, we do break and hold at 107.78, looking for a move back up towards the 108.13, successful break from which talking at 108.80. And if we do see further bullish buy side volatility, looking for a move up towards the 109.50. If, however, we do still continue to encounter major resistance around 107.78, I don't expect that to be the case, but if it is the case, looking for a move back down to the 106.94, successful break from which we're targeting down that 106.31. Beyond that, 105.55 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, we've had prices. We're in a bit of a range here on the US dollar Japanese yen. We've had this sell-off, we've had a pullback in around the area of confluence of the 200 and 400 period moving averages. We've seen the further sell-side momentum come back into the market over the past couple of days here. So we were already in a bit of a downtrend. We already broke out of this range. We posted so we had our highs. We had a series of lower highs. We've had a range, broke out of range here to the downside. Had a brief pullback around the confluence of the 200 and 400 period moving average. So further sell-side momentum coming into the market here. We did see this sharp sell-off, rather extraordinary move here to the downside, down towards that 104.74. So we didn't test a 104.65. So in the coming days or weeks, we may just see, as we tend to see with these market crashes or these very one-sided moves, we probably usually see some retracement. So in the coming days or so, may just see further retracement here back to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen. It won't be as quick as we did see the sell-off, but we'll see a bit of a recovery because pretty much everyone that's wanted to sell all the stops down at this level would have likely been triggered. So we may just see a bit of value, a bit of buying here to come into the market in the coming days or weeks. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.